Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. The other day I received some really pretty things from my friends over at BB Craft, and I made this memory wire bracelet. And today I would like to make another bracelet, and I'm going to show you how I did it. But this time we're going to be using blue for the primary color. I've got the blue flamingo and these really pretty blue glass crystals. And we're going to put a few of these pink glass beads and these lantern spacer beads. We're going to need 3 jump rings. I have 2, I think 6mm, and one that's a 4mm. Lobster claw clasp, memory wire. And you need some memory wire cutters in order to cut that memory wire. So using my memory wire cutters, I just cut the memory wire into one loop. And now I'm going to make one little loop on one end so all the beads don't fall off when I string them up, just like this. So when you're curling your loop, you need to make sure that it gets all the way closed. If you look closely here, you can tell it is not all the way closed. So I need to get in there and close it a little bit tighter. Just like this. So the next thing I need to do is I'm going to open up one of these larger jump rings. I'm going to put it on the flamingo. Just like this. Now I'm going to set them aside and I'm going to string my beads on in the desired pattern. Now that I have them all strung up, I made sure to stop so the pattern looks like it continues. And I ended where I have quite a bit of wire left there. So I'm going to, you could cut off a little bit of it, but I'm just going to make a bigger loop. Like this one right here. And now they're all done. Don't they look nice? Now I did use 2 jump rings. So if you needed to have more of an adjustable bracelet, you could. I've got the jump ring on the flamingo, and then I added another jump ring onto that jump ring and the loop in the memory wire. And that way, like I said, it's more adjustable if you needed it to be a little bit bigger. And if you wanted to add another jump ring, you could do that too. Just depends on how large you need it. And I think these will look really good together. And I could have made one maybe without the flamingo, but I like how it turned out. So now we're going to make some earrings. So I'm using this gold tone flamingo with the pink crystals, and then I'm going to use a pink bead. I've already made some blue gold tone flamingos, and I'm pretty much just going to use this same pattern for the pink earrings. And I've got a gold ear wire there, and so I need some gold wire. And I'm going to be using 20 gauge copper wire. So I just put the bead on the wire, and I'm just going to wrap a loop. Now before I wrap my loop, I want to make sure to hang my flamingo on there, like so. And now I'm just going to wrap this around here a couple of times, clip it off and tuck the end in, like so. Now I'm going to wrap another loop on this other end and hang the ear wire. Now you see that right there that's sticking out? You want to make sure you tuck that in because that would scratch you and it doesn't feel very good when you get scratched by the wire. And there they are, all finished. I love these little flamingos. Thanks for watching my little demonstration, and I hope y'all have a fantastic day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.